In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Gemini photo. Whether you're new to the platform or simply exploring new creative avenues, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, make your way to the Google homepage. This is where everything begins. Open your preferred web browser and type google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, the world of information is at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. Google Gemini is a powerful tool that allows you to express creative ideas visually. The search results will guide you to the specific page you need to access this functionality. Once the results are displayed, go ahead and click on the link that leads you to the Google Gemini website. This is where the magic happens and where you'll start to bring your visions to life. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this might be necessary to proceed further. On the Google Gemini page, you will see an area where you can type a prompt to describe the image you want to create. Think of this prompt as the seed of your creative project. It can be anything from a detailed image description to a few keywords that capture the essence of your idea. Google's powerful AI will use this prompt to generate an image that aligns with your vision. Spend a moment to think about what you want to achieve with your image, ensuring your prompt accurately conveys your desired outcome. Now it's time to engage with the tools. Click on Tools to explore the variety of options available to customize your image creation. Here, you can experiment with various settings that manipulate and refine the visual output according to your preferences. Once you're happy with your prompt and the options you've selected, proceed by clicking on Create Images. This feature activates the engine that processes your request, transforming your text-based idea into a visual representation. Finally, click on Submit to finalize the process. This submission is like the final flourish in your digital artistry, allowing the system to work its magic. After a brief moment, your image will be ready. You'll receive a notification or see the completed image pop up on your screen. And there you have it, your very own Google Gemini photo, ready to admire, share, or use in any projects you have in mind. Creating images using Google Gemini is not just about producing pictures. It's about exploring the boundaries of your imagination and leveraging technology to make your ideas visible. I hope this guide has made the process simple and enjoyable for you. Thanks for watching and happy creating.